Welcome to Seahaven Marine RV Park. This is a 360 video tour of the camping areas. Just like Google Street View, grab the screen to look left, right, up, or down. At any moment in time, you can jump forward or backward by using the progress bar. Hit pause to take a closer look around, and make sure to bump your quality setting as high as your bandwidth will allow. That's that little gear icon down at the bottom of the screen. We welcome you to Seahaven Marine RV Park. Your picturesque RV park and marina escape awaits. Enjoy a day of fishing or watch a beautiful sunset from your RV site or our private pier. Seahaven Marine RV Park is designed around our marvelous waterfront location. We have beach chairs on the waterfront lined with palm trees, a secluded location, and provide a laid-back ambiance for extended relaxation. Have a romantic picnic at the waterfront or examine the catch of the day. Boat slips, a private boat ramp, a kayak launch, and fishing charter welcome campers who yearn to get out on the water. Extra large full hookup sites provide plenty of access for most any sized RV or camper. The park has an open setting allowing for easy entrance and exit when you come and visit. We have a mix of back-in and pull-through sites with water facing, water view, and interior sites available. There's plenty of room in our sites for parking vehicles and boats. The area is convenient for any sized RV. Our sites are in the open for clear views of the night sky and easy aiming of your satellite TV. Verizon and ATT cellular phone and data service is available at our park. The beautiful beaches of North Topsail Island are just minutes away, suitable for family fun, swimming, and sunbathing. Nestled in the cove of the New River in North Carolina, we're 2.4 miles from the Intercoastal Waterway and 3 miles from the Atlantic Ocean. At the back gate of Camp Lejeune, the largest marine installation in the U.S., and minutes away from Topsail Island. This quiet RV campground and marina is the perfect setting for a peaceful retreat. It's a camping destination with water as its centerpiece. No matter what you choose, you will have a chance to unplug, recharge your inner batteries, connect with nature, observe wildlife, meet and greet like-minded people, and really be present for your loved ones. Staying at Seahaven Marine RV Park is a step towards a journey of conscious living. Come join the tribe. Visit SeahavenMarineRVPark.com or call 910-333-5773.